viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your program called Talk to the Camera with me, Kona Sese. Viewers, today we can walk out with you on the streets of Freetown for talk to citizens them concerning which ministry then go rate as one of the best ministry in our salon ever since when the present government came into existence. We dey go to the people for know from them which ministry so far then go rate as the best ministry in our salon. Hello and welcome to this interview.
My name is Ibrahim Sise.
Alright. Mr. Sise, you go tell me as a citizen of Salone, inside this year, which ministry you go rate as the best ministry so far?
Well, we'd expect more from the Ministry of Education because if any country ever be a better nation, now education. So now the more we'd expect from after that we think about the energy and power because that they give life to Motaman, they make life gone. So that ministry then the more we try for make, we will want to make it improve so that we will be a better nation.
Alright. When you talk about the Ministry of Education, somebody go say it gets to do with the free education. What you go say about the free quality education?
Well, the free quality education, we dey look into because you know for we the poor people we expect much. Because if we say we depend on it, because right now we know they get lesson from the schools them. So past speaking we naturally brilliant, now they will make them up from that free quality education. If you want to get a standard education, pass it put it in private school.
Yeah. Well, when this present government, we don't take 3 years now in existence with the camp, is it that now the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Energy we expect from?
Yes, because 10-3 ministry they need them very important to life. Because you can't do without water, you can't do without light, you know. The ministry need them very important because education, which make always talk about education. Education they make life change, they make a country be a better nation. Because the more people educate, and the more life they become simple. Because the world we live so right now, an electronic world, an advanced world, we need education. Because nothing not doing a manual now, not education.
Finally, when you talk about water and the Ministry of Energy, you know, what's going to be your message to the ministry, then 2 ministries there are, so be it that there are places in Freetown where in water not there or light can knock into stagnant, it can come and go.
Well, like the energy, now problem we don't get from the previous governments, then not to this government no more will cast the blame on because our situation we don't deal with. So, but we would expect, like, how they be the good promise, so then go improve on them. So, they look forward to that. So, we're able to get a good energy, where life will become simple for everybody.
Let me take it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir, and welcome to this interview. Your name?
Yeah, my name Junior Abdullah Anthony.
Alright, Mr. Anthony, you go tell me, from where this present government come into existence, it don't take 3 years now. What can you be the expect from the different ministries them, and which ministry don't reach your expectation?
Well, I'm not going to talk much about any ministry because like, when I post security worker, then me pick you again a private school to go. My money what they get by month, and me pick school fee 600. What did they left with me 100? So I not actually look happy. Actually, I expect say like how this government don't cancel, they probably don't make some certain issue there reasonable for who they poor and there. But it's like I don't know.
Alright, you know about the free quality education where the Ministry of Education they provide?
Yes, I know better.
You believe in them?
Well, I believe in them because they see how they go on, but man let me not get that access it. Because if it's small, they can't and I'm not going to left I go far for go school. So or else I prefer to put a private school.
Alright. This private school where you dey talk about, if all is in the way the pikin they receive from this private school, the quality of the education within the private school, you know, when we talk about the free and quality education, if not in there in the government school, you go allow you picking for going to the government school?
Yes, now government school I go allow me picking for go. If all that facility then now government school me picking go.
Alright.
Because I go think and say, what you the hand, what you the spend per school, I go prefer me picking for go in a government school. But because of that facility they not there, so now I make a prefer say let go private school.
Alright, so what's going to be final word to the Ministry of Education about, you know, putting in place all the quality and they were there in a private school in the government school?
Well, that would they beg the Ministry of Education, let it go try much. Most of the quality they were in a private school. If you're not in a government school, I hope say education go do, everybody go do say praise to them.
Alright, well, finally, you go mention some of the things that where you see they happen at the private school where you picking they go, where be say, you don't see in our government schools.
Well, number one thing, the private school, me pick it, they go. I can happy mostly because they talk to like now English they speak to me. But what they find out and the government school, and then they see their facility, and that more give me zeal. Say, let me pick it. I go manage any kind of situation. Let go.
Alright, so send word now to the teachers them of them government school here for they speak English so they picking them within at the school.
Well, this is a message to all the teachers there. The most thing what they go do go to help. Let they go to teach the picking their English. Whether they talk English, they give them more. They give the parents more zeal for sponsor the picking there.
Alright, let me take it to you.
Yeah, thank you too.
Hello and welcome to this interview. What's your name?
My name is Ibrahim Momo.
Alright. Mama, you go please tell me, as a citizen of Salone, whose ministry you go rate as one of the best ministries ever since where this present government came into existence?
Well, from now, I'm not going for returning ministry as the best ministry. Which no more they get for keep on trying or which they do at least. They do a little bit effort, but they want for put more effort because of the Salone we do and only Salone this way we get. So if it then work to the ministry that work according to the country level, at least everything go better for everybody.
Alright. When the government will come into existence, what expectations will you be get?
Well, we get much expectation for the government than with the kind of power. It will be a change. But see yet, we see changes, but we need to let the government put more effort for the change. Therefore, we serve the lay one then at the ground. At least let us get job. The Minister of Youth and whatever. Therefore, let us get job. We lay one then at the country. Youth forget job. We don't for their ideal. Some learn his skill, but you not get job. So they plead to Papa government at least let able to try to do that for we.
Alright, you talk of the Ministry of Youth, yeah? Somebody go say for make Ministry of Youth provide job for them people here when I youth them, then suppose for the land skills, you know? Yeah. What you go say about this? For make youth them go the land skills?
Well, the youth best some of the 100% of the youth here, I go say something 40% or 50% go don't land job. What job no dey? Around the 60 or 50% not land job yet because I don't know. But I talk to me company youth then at least let we say learn a job or learn a skill at least if the government bring and any development, any work for the country, at least where you go let get inquirement for that level there.
Alright, so finally what's going to be what to people?
Well, me reward to the people and they talk to me company youth then let forget about the idleness, let we learn a skill, let we learn something at least we go benefit you for tomorrow because as any young man to time you get forget a responsibility. If you get responsibility, you forget something, at least what they do, you go go at home tomorrow, you go able to support the family. Then me want to Papa government, please let you the youth and cry. You know, Salone with the suffer with the youth then. Please let Papa government hear the youth and cry.
Let you take it.
Yeah, thank you very much. You're welcome.
Hello, sir, and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Abubakar Koroma.
Alright.
Yeah.
Abubakar Koroma, you go please tell me, it's been 3 years now since the present government came into existence. Whose ministry so far you go rate as the best ministry?
Well, as from when me born, I not see none where I go rate because they all they disappoint me always. Yes. Like the ministry then so way for the admire like the health, education, all poor. So I not see none way I go admire up till date, up till now where they talk to you so.
Alright, you talk about health and education and then two ministry also get free inside the ministries where they can normally talk about like the Ministry of Education, they talk about free quality of education, whilst the Ministry of Health they talk about under 5 picking them for get free healthcare, sorry. So what you go say about them qualities and the way they can normally boast of?
Well then quality and they as I tell you all poor. Because like this present situation we expect one, the education for the quality, but now more a worst, more than I be there. The health care and I worst more than I be there. So my sister, nothing all the way proper now.
Alright, like what are some of the things that way you don't see so where you not like?
Well, waiting piss me off the education system. A very, very poor for now. Yes. Now in the morning, right now they piss me off. Because the picking they get good education, then say free, now more they pay money. Me I decide to pull me picking and say in a government school, how than a private school because then we get better learning. Now that's all.
Alright, so if you say better learning, you know they inside the free education where they talk about?
You know they at all my sister. You know they so now make I decide to pull me 3 picking them, I'll go then in private school.
What are some of the facilities and what you picking they receive in a private school where you feel say no they at all in a government school?
The facilities in Boku is great. private school now, me picking the able good speak English if me not sabi. Now one, don't need talk Creole. Now English, even now self, it don't begin make her speak English because I don't used to her now. Where be the government school, we not sabi online a Creole. So you see, when you pay money in a private school, it better. If the government self be don't structure then government school there, like where the campaign we all vote for the free quality education, we all vote to put this government inside. Now this is a beaucoup disappointment day. My sister in Pekin and they go government school. Any day money issue. The teacher then said they grumble. So at the big papa government do make them put emphasis on then government schools and then they send people then they go watch because any Wednesday my sister in Pekin and the cry say then they go 2,000, 3,000 for waiting. The government be don't say na free quality education. And the presidents I believe them. They tell me born, they tell me take power 3 months, I swear to you do. So I believe say the president in the Northland, some of the people that they put before and they get under bad name day. I believe in President Bio, I believe say them mistakes here we don't make it go correct them. Now that's
You talk about the healthcare in a salon. What's going to be your message to the ministry responsible for well-body business in a salon?
Well, what's in at the beg the president, His Excellency, let he put the right man at the right place. Health very important. For we the young man, the hospital as a president, let it take a talk. When they see another country then, the president let it sit back, send people they know. Even the president and the head man, and they get all the bad names. Somehow he send and instead they go send. When you get the ministers and they work, if you then see the president, they take a stroll, they all they be afraid. So I beg Mr. President, do the hospital, the fence time, you go check. You need to tell nobody. Do your own exercise, you go do all the exercise, and so when you go see them, they know it's for do. Now that's what they do.
Alright, plenty take it to you.
Yeah, Yusuf, thank you.
Hello to you, welcome to this interview. Your name?
I'm in a Victor ACC.
Alright. Victor, as youth man, ever since where this present government don't come into power, what you don't observe and at which ministry you feel saying are the best ministry so far?
Well, I can say Ministry of Sports. For me, yeah, because like I like sports, then I can see activities that go in sports, especially when I do a Saloga game. So like I get to get some Ministry of Sports to do better.
Alright, so you see, I'm saying the Ministry of Sport now, the ministry we don't push salon name go before small.
Exactly so, exactly for me, yeah.
Alright, so the other ministries then where they be, and what if you say they need for do for me able for match up to the rank inside the Ministry of Sport as you say this so right now?
Or like for Ministry of Youth, I can say like because plenty youth then they out there like then get the paper, document everything, degree, this one degree older than understand, but like people not get job. Especially this country in the so now people like it's saying now opportunity. When you not get the opportunity, then you need to get job. So like especially the youth say they outside this country now. Some get the paper, qualified paper, get degree, but like when you not get the opportunity, you not get the chance, while you work, you not get the people that get in offices them like retire. Somebody for like retire, especially, but like someone not retire because of what's in me party connection, not get chance to the young one or they call up. Going back in time, not reach for like you able take care of your family, take care of yourself, or able enjoy your life back. So you see, so.
Alright. You don't talk about youth them when get degree, when a degree holders them. But then one of the youth them when not able for go school at all. You know what you go say about them?
Yeah, like the people don't get degree holder, they also not go school. Skills are out there. You know, this especially the free zone, you see don't know they absolutely enable to do same by if you say the Sidon, what I know for the past going up to go become night carpenter, what I mean for go thief, people go broke the mold for begin thief. So like within a free zone especially I just fair for the carpet today fit they for go make mods carpenter. But what then they like you as youth, you go engage yourself. For like you
you feel saying that then type of job then they, you know, the Ministry of Youth need for engage in for create such job opportunities for youth them when not go school?
Exactly so. And 100% right for that, exactly so. The Ministry of Youth need for do that for help youth they unable to educate. Yeah, unable to educate, so for them engage.
You mentioned night carpenter business as you say when na thief business na net. What will be your message to your company youth man then when you get for do with that aspect today?
Well, like the only message I get from them no more. Some people looking for it to me out there. The only talk is telling night carpet is not good in life. You know, thief not good. Like, especially if it's only for thief. Absolutely, they die. No, they die because someone maybe for example, they also go for good thief. You don't tell the thief that particular house. So someone else you there's no way. Pass the meet body na ticket. So the only advice I get for man they do renting and they forget about thief. Work hard. one thing about life, na patient. Or you work hard. But if you suffer, especially in an African country, there's no way. You no born meet town. You no born meet town. You need to go the extra mile. You go suffer. When you suffer, then you go to get what you want. That's all the advice I get for man. They will do. The people they will do. Let them stop. Work hard. Just keep you know come be boy picking. Me come be na boy picking. Rather, I'm na boy picking. I can tell me come be boy picking out there. Low work hard. Even me. I'm not come with my family like okay, but like up to now, I still don't struggle. Life now still no born me. I get for struggle. Get for go the extra mile for able to make up.
Let me take it to you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Go tell your name and what you do.
My name is Senesi Kane. I'm a driver. So the driver the taxi then, with the train, the petrol don't go up, we work a whole day, we don't go able to get better money. So the police say back, they harass you one time. That's in the door, just get one let government help we. The other thing they go, the fare go down. Then the passenger they back and three will they take taxi. They take 2 beer one before. So all that they money we. We don't go work no nothing.
All right. As driver, when this present government will come into existence, what you would expect from the ministry responsible for driver na salon, the ministry responsible for transport and aviation business na salon?
Well, with the place of government that help we, like the transport business, then miserable for we. Now for that, no more to try for help from government. Let government help we for that.
Right. You being a driver, as you say, you don't mention the amount of passenger the way you they take. All right. So you go tell me per passenger how much you can normally collect, and outside and outside you can run.
I the one from PZL, I go Congo Cross, I can go Aberdeen, New England, I can go Tengbeta Lomley, all that side and I can go there.
So from outside with the so now to Congo Cross, how much you can take?
Well, from New England for Congo Cross, and 115 they pay. So that is strain for we. We're not going to pull the fare money, we're not going to pull master money, let's say the all. So the government help we because of the fare don't go up. So that 115 they know they help we taxi the whole they say 2 beer one before. So the government help we don't go there.
So what thing go be final word to the ministry responsible for transport business and salon?
Well, the ministry for help we, but the transport is able for we and salon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Viewers, una self don't listen. As different people they don't talk concerning the expectation where they be get from ministries and where the present government will just kind of power. They don't talk for say them not able to rate any ministry at all as the best ministry in a salon yet. Because what in they expect, they're not able to get stay now. We may be in the program come to you today. My name is Kona Sise. Until we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say tata.